This is the demonstration kit of study of the DC servo motor. It is having the spring balance which measures the torque T1 and T2. We will be keeping this at the initial position. Say this is what is, it is the 0 0, though the spring balance is not showing correctly. This is somewhat higher reading is there. Now we will take the two sets of the reading. Initially this is now calibration. I will shift it to the reading mode. First set of the readings will be taken by varying the speed. Every time I will measure the voltage and the speed. Now this is what it is showing the voltmeter. Slowly I will start varying the voltage, and correspondingly now the voltage is 4.9, the speed is 66 rpm multiplied by 10. Now this I will be noting down the different values of the reading. Starting from initial, I have loaded the value. Likewise, gradually varying the voltage, we will be measuring the speed. Here, this is what is the supply voltage shown, and this is what the voltage. Now after, this is the set of the readings without applying the load condition. Now what we will do, we will slowly reduce this and try to apply the See, now the torque values are T1, T2 are 0. I will make a particular value of the voltage. This what is the voltage is made. Now the values of the T1 and T2 are marked here. They are taken here. What is the values of the T1 and T2? 0 0 initially. Then I will increase the current. To increase the current, I will apply the load here. Now for this set of a reading, current is now 0.7, voltage will be noted, speed will be noted, that's what we will be taking. Then here T1 is constant. Second set, again T2, this is what is considered. Current is 0.8, voltage and the speed will be measuring. This what is the next set of the reading. Current is measured. This is what is the value of the T1 is this. This what is the T1, 120. The values of the voltage and speed are noted down. Now I will be again increasing to this. This is what is the maximum load which we can apply. Now the current is approaching to 0.98. Corresponding values of the both the spring balance are noted down. Now these values are likewise, this is what is the value. First voltage and speed without load, then with load the voltage, speed, current T1 and T2. Then you have to calculate the mechanical torque, which is T1 minus T2, multiplied by the 5 centimeter diameter. Now kg into radius, that is nothing but the mechanical torque. Electrical torque is equal to V into Ia. Torque equivalent is equal to P into 60 divided by 2 pi n.